Every 3 minutes, a family somewhere in the world hears the heartbreaking words, "Your child has cancer." And the most common cancer found in children is leukemia.
Our showcase features videographer Brad Vassar visited the Children's Hospital of Richmond to speak with an 11-year-old girl, Ava Lester. She is brave and currently undergoing treatment and inspiring other children who are fighting the same battle.
They didn't use the word cancer when they told us. They said leukemia. And my parents started crying, and I'm like, "Why are you crying? Is it okay?" My name is Ava, and I am a patient of Children's Hospital in Richmond. I was like overwhelmed, kind of like I didn't know what to do. I cried a little bit, but it, I don't think I cried too much, especially in this journey. At first, I just tried to stay strong for my parents, um, but there's definitely been a lot of emotional struggles through this whole thing. But it's gotten a lot better because I'm in maintenance, which is a way better phase where uh, there's way lighter chemo and I'm not as tired. And my hair's growing back.
I am one of the pediatric hematology and oncology physicians at the Children's Hospital of Richmond. I'm lucky to get to be Ava's doctor. Before we knew exactly what was going on, we knew that Ava hadn't been feeling well for several weeks and was having trouble getting over what we thought was just being sick. And she came in for some specialized testing, and we found out that she had leukemia, which means that she has cancer in her blood.
They told me that, well, why don't we just tell her like what it is? But my parents had to tell me it was a type of cancer, but not the doctors. When I started doing treatment, they actually called it cancer. There's a lot of parts of chemo that's really hard. Losing your hair, being separated from like your social life, not being able to talk to people in person, and not being allowed to go out in public. But you're tired, you're nauseous all the time. It's scary because you can go to the hospital like at any time. You can get an infection or you can get sick. And I've had 3 inpatient stays and they've all been a month long. So whenever I get my counts checked, I'm always like super nervous.
When I think of Ava, I think of one of the most kind and courageous young women that I know. She's persistent, she's determined, and she has an empathy that not a lot of other kids her age possess. You go in the room to see Ava to see how she's feeling, and she wants to know how your week was and really get to bond with you in that time.
I think I was just born to be like happy and joyful. Like, I don't know how I'm happy through the thing. I think it's my doctors, my nurses, like they're all very kind and it's just wonderful. I wouldn't want to go like anywhere else but this hospital. It's one of the best ones. For the kids with cancer, like it's awful, it's horrific, it's scary. You're sick, you don't get to talk to people, you're gonna lose your hair. It's gonna be really hard, but you're gonna get through it.
What an inspirational little girl.
She has the best energy ever, too. When she said, "I was born to be happy and joyful," I was like, I wish everyone had that spirit. Ava, your story was so inspiring, and thank you for sharing that with us on Showcase. What a phenomenal, phenomenal young woman.
Love it. Love that she's encouraging so many other young children too.
And again, the great care at Children's Hospital of Richmond, just unmatched anywhere else. We're so lucky to have them here.
So blessed.